Hello all, in this video we are going to construct NFA and DFA to accept a set of all strings over 0, 1 where each string consists of the substring 101. It means the string can be made up of zeros and ones. 0 and 1 are the input symbols. So it consists of the strings are made up of 0, 1 and but the condition is it should contain the substring 101. So 101 is a substring in this input string and here also 101, 101. So these are all the input strings should be accepted by our NFA and DFA, and these are all some of the incorrect input string. So these strings are not having 101 as a substring. So these type of strings must be rejected by our NFA and DFA. So first we will construct NFA for this problem. So let us assume that Q0 is a start state of NFA. So start, it is represented by using an arrow and it is labeled by start. Then the condition is 101 is a substring. So in Q0, if 1 is the input symbol, then it has to change the state from Q0 to Q1 because we need to reach the final state. So Q1 for the input symbol 1. So for this type of problem, initially we can draw with the substring. So for if 1 is a input symbol, state must be changed from Q0 to Q1. Then for the next input 0, it has to go to Q2. Then from Q2, if the input symbol is 1, then it should go to the final state. So for the substring or the string starts with some string or a string ends with some 0, 1, anything means then we have to draw like this. So 101 NFA for recognizing 101 as a substring means we have to start drawing NFA like this. So here 101 means it is accepted by our NFA. Now consider 00101. So 00101 means the 101 can be preceded by any number of zeros and ones. So that can be represented by a self transition to Q0. So from Q0, if 0 is the input symbol, it has to remain in the same state, and for 1 also it has to remain in the same state. Then for the substring 101, it will change the state from Q0 to Q1 and it will reach the Q3. Then after recognizing 101 substring only, we will be in state Q3. So after recognizing the substring 101, some other strings are coming, means 101 zeros and ones. So it can be in the same state Q3. That is 101 is a substring. It is preceded by any number of zeros and ones and it can be followed by any number of zeros and ones. So it is represented in a NFA like this. 101 is a substring. It is preceded by any number of zeros and ones. So self transition should be made for the start state Q0, and this 101 can be followed by any number of zeros and ones. So it can be drawn like that. Now we can check whether the first input string is accepted by this NFA or not. So 001011 means 00101, and for the last one it will remain in the same state, and for all the input symbols also it can remain in the same state 001011, but at least in one way it has to reach the final state, that is called as NFA. So 001011 means it can reach the final state. Similarly 11011 11011, so these strings are accepted. Similarly 00100 0010, but for the final 0 there is no transition from Q2, so this input string is not reaching the final state. So this is the rejected. This is rejected by our NFA. Similarly, for example, consider 00110. So 001. Then for the fourth one, it can go to state Q1. Then for 0, it can go to Q2. But since Q2 is not a final state, the string is also rejected by our NFA. And here NFA has in Q0 there are two transitions for state 1. Similar, yeah. So this is NFA. This is not possible in DFA. So in DFA, if we want to construct a problem for the substring, then in Q0, if 1 is the input symbol, state should be changed to Q1 because we need to reach the final state. So Q1 is considered, we can reach Q1 after recognizing 1. Then from Q1, if 0 is the input symbol, then we can go to Q2. So we will be in state Q2 after recognizing 1 0. Then from Q2, if 1 is a tape symbol, then we can go to Q3. So we will be in state Q3 after recognizing 101 as a substring. So suppose before recognizing in state Q0, now we have to construct the remaining transitions. So in Q0, if 1 is a if 1 is a input symbol, it can reach Q1. Suppose in Q0, 0 is a input symbol. It means that the string starts with 0. So before recognizing 1, if 0 is the input, means we have to remain in the same state because still we are waiting for 1 to go to the next state. So in Q0, we have drawn both the transitions for 0 and 1. Then in Q1, so we will be in state Q1 after recognizing 1. So if after recognizing 1, if we are seeing 0, then we can go to Q2. But again, after recognizing 1, again we are seeing 1. It means after recognizing 1, again one more 1 is coming. One more 1 is coming means then still we need 0 1. Okay, 0 because 0 1 is a 101 is a substring. So after recognizing 1, if one more 1 is coming, then it should remain in the same state because we need to wait 0 1 to reach the final state. So we have drawn both the transition for Q1 also. Then in Q2, if 1 is a input, that is after recognizing 1 0, if the next input is 1, we can reach the final state. But if the next input is 0, that is after recognizing 1 0, definitely the next symbol must be 1. Then only we can say that the string has a substring 101. But after recognizing 1 0, 0 is coming. So what is the meaning? Now we need to wait for 101 as a substring. Right, so that in Q2, if 0 is the 0 is the input symbol, then again we need to wait for 101. We have to recognize 101 to reach the final state. So from Q2 to Q0, we have to draw a transition for the input symbol 0. So in Q2, if 0 is coming, then again it has to go to the start state because we need to recognize 101 to reach the final state. So we have drawn two transitions for Q2 also. Then in Q3, so we will be in state Q3 after recognizing 101 only. So after recognizing 101, suppose one more 0 is coming, means we can remain in the same state because that should also be accepted. Then the next symbol may be 1 also. So after recognizing 101, for any number of zeros and ones, we should be in the same state Q3. Now we will check the correct input string 00 10 11. So 0 0 1 0 1 1. So it is accepted by our DFA. Then 101 101. Then 11011 1 1 0 1 1. So these input strings are accepted by our DFA. Similarly, check with the incorrect input string 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. So we are not in the final state. So it is rejected. Then 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. So similarly, we can check for the correct and incorrect input string. So this is the NFA and DFA for the substring 101. Thank you.